Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and as a business owner, I ship a lot of packages. So it's important to me to save as much money as possible when shipping those packages. I learned that if I use a digital scale like this one from Greater Goods, then I can just print my own labels from home. I love how easy this was to set up. All I had to do was remove the foam ring and the little tab from the batteries when it arrived, and I was shipping items within minutes of it arriving. It is so simple to use. You just turn it on and it's ready to go. Make sure you zero it out, especially because I don't use the food bowl. So zero it after I take it off, and then I can switch my units because it does also weigh grams, fluid ounces, and milliliters, as well as pounds and ounces, which is what I use for shipping. This was so easy to use. I was worried I was going to have to read an instruction manual to set it up. Instead, you have just this little pamphlet that tells you exactly what to do within 5 steps. So if you're looking for a great kitchen scale or a scale to weigh packages for shipping to save you a little money as a business owner, then you really should check out this Greater Goods tabletop food scale. That's my point of view.